Ambassador Academy is a program of Methodist Healthcare Ministries that is meant to personally and professionally develop our team members.
The biggest benefit of the Ambassador Academy to team members is you are growing together. You're coming in working at a level of enrichment. So some of the topics you hear about as you come to work every day are now discussed at a higher level. There's a lot of exposure internally to leadership as well as externally, which we've seen to be a huge success.
I have learned so much from the Academy. I think if I could sum it up, it would be teamwork and leadership. I've seen the leadership that takes place in this company, and it really has motivated me to be just a better leader at work and in my department and with my coworkers and also with the families that I serve. So I think teamwork and leadership is something that I've definitely learned from the Academy.
So what prompted me to join the Ambassador Academy was to develop leadership skills. Definitely learn from the leaders that I work with, to be more open-minded and just to work as a team.
What I've learned in leadership is, how to see things differently as a leader.
I believe that the communication skills are the most important, and I also believe that leadership is in every area. You can use leadership skills at home, you can use them at church, you can use them at work, you use them in government, so they're everywhere.
Well, I heard from people in the Ambassador Academy from the previous year. They talked about the community service that they did, and that's what really got me interested because it's something that I always wanted to do. Also meeting team members from the organization that I didn't know. I thought that this would be a good opportunity to meet more people.
I'm excited about what MHM is doing through this program because it allows us to uniquely engage and advance our team members so that they can not only continue to grow and provide quality engagement and leadership in the organization, but they can also do that within their families and within their community.
I didn't see it as a leadership role. I saw it as working with my peers and hoping to grow with them in a direction that's only going to make us better and better in what we do, better advocates, I guess, for MHM and what they stand for and what they represent and who they're trying to reach and whose lives they're trying to change.
The goal for Ambassador Academy is to allow team members who may not otherwise have the opportunity in their day-to-day jobs to be exposed to all areas of our organization, to be able to participate in sessions that give them information on assets-based community development, information on our governmental affairs and advocacy, information on leadership and communication styles.
This is an opportunity for them to attend classes, to go to workshops, to ask questions, and to be a part of the community and do things that maybe they have never done before, and hopefully those things will give them the skills and the attributes to grow professionally and personally.
It is a unique program, yes, and I think it's amazing that they did give us the opportunity. It shows a lot of how they feel about their team members and how, giving them opportunities to learn things.
I think with being in the Ambassador program, you see Methodist Healthcare Ministries at a macro level, and to understand why certain processes are done before a final decision and things like that. So that was also something that I learned.
I just think when I'm at work, I can see the bigger picture now. I'm not just bringing back a patient and doing treatment. I know what effort was put into this patient being able to walk into our clinic, being able to get the treatment they're getting, and everything that we have to offer. Now I know where it's coming from and the people that have the voice for us in order to get everything that we need to do what we do in the community.
It's going to help me on a day-to-day basis to remember the big picture of how healthcare is affected, not just from the front lines, but in all aspects, the behind the scenes, even in legislation, how bills that are passed and are not passed affect healthcare in the community.
You're bolder to ask questions. You learn the bigger picture. Now we know what we can help, what we do in the community. We know what the company want to do. We know how the bigger picture look like. So now when we go out there, we are more equipped. I am bolder, more courageous. I'm an ambassador.